Want to send powerful email campaigns straight from your Shopify store? Today I will show you how to connect Mailchimp to Shopify in just a few simple steps. Perfect for beginners in 2025. Let's get started. First of all, head over to mailchimp.com. Then click login. Or sign up if you haven't already an account. Then log into Shopify.com account. Keep both tabs open. We will be connecting them using the Mailchimp app. In your Shopify dashboard, click Add Apps. Then scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. Now search for Mailchimp. Click Install. Approve the permissions and allow integration. This officially connects your Shopify store to your Mailchimp account, allowing data like customers and products to sync. After installing, you will be redirected to log into Mailchimp. Choose the Mailchimp account or log into Mailchimp account. You will be redirected to log into your Mailchimp. Then click allow. Approve access for Shopify to sync contacts, purchase history, and products. Now your Shopify customers will be synced into Mailchimp as contacts. Click on sync now. Ready to receive your email campaigns and automations. Mailchimp will ask you what data to sync, like customers, tags, products, purchase activity. Choose all customers and products to enable abandoned cart emails and product recommendations. Click finish. Setup or continue Mailchimp. Now you can see it's connected. This gives Mailchimp the information to this gives Mailchimp the info it needs to power smart campaigns like welcome emails, win packs, and personalized product suggestions. Go to your audience in the Mailchimp. You should sync your customer. You should see synced customers. You can now create email automations, campaigns based on purchase activity, pop-ups, and sign-up forms on your store. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Mailchimp, and you are ready to start sending targeted emails that actually convert. Hit this like button if this helped. Subscribe for more quick Shopify tips and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on setting up automated email flows. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.